Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It's Natural Health here, and today we're diving deep into how you can fix damaged hair without ever picking up a pair of scissors. Whether you're dealing with split ends, dryness, or breakage, don't worry. You're not alone and you don't have to settle for a drastic chop. If your ends are fried, your strands feel like straw, or your hair just isn't looking its best, don't rush to book that haircut just yet. There are plenty of ways to restore your hair's health and appearance right at home. I'll be sharing practical, science-backed tips you can use at home to revive your hair and bring back its natural shine and strength. From nourishing masks and gentle detangling to the right products and habits, you'll learn how to give your hair the love it deserves. No salon visit required. And don't miss out. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could totally change your hair game and help you achieve the gorgeous, healthy hair you've always wanted. Let's start with deep conditioning, the foundation of hair revival. Think of it as an emergency drink for your thirsty, stressed-out strands. Whether your hair is dry from heat styling, coloring, or just the daily grind, deep conditioning is the reset button your hair craves. Deep conditioners are specially formulated to penetrate the hair shaft, delivering intense moisture and repairing bonds that have been weakened by heat tools, chemical treatments, or environmental stressors. They work from the inside out, helping to restore elasticity, shine, and overall health to your hair. When choosing a deep conditioner, look for formulas packed with hydrolyzed proteins to strengthen, natural oils like argan or coconut for nourishment, and humectants such as honey or glycerin to draw in moisture. These ingredients work together to repair, hydrate, and protect your hair from future damage. For best results, apply the deep conditioner to clean, damp hair. Focus on the mid-lengths and ends, where damage is usually most noticeable. Gently massage the product in, making sure every strand is coated, and let it sit for at least 15 minutes to allow the nutrients to absorb fully. For an extra boost, wrap your hair in a warm towel or use a shower cap to trap heat. This helps open up the hair cuticle, allowing the conditioner to sink in even deeper and work its magic more effectively. Make deep conditioning a regular part of your routine. Once or twice a week is ideal. Over time, you'll notice your hair becoming softer, stronger, and visibly healthier, with a beautiful shine that turns heads. Next, let's talk shampoo. Sulfates can strip your hair's natural oils, making damage worse. Switch to a sulfate-free shampoo with hydrating ingredients like aloe vera or argan oil. These gentler cleansers protect your scalp and hair cuticle, keeping moisture locked in. Your hair may feel different at first, but that's a sign it's getting healthier. Over time, you'll notice more shine and resilience. Heat styling tools can be your hair's worst enemy if overused. Try air drying and embrace your natural texture whenever possible. If you must use heat, always apply a heat protectant and use the lowest effective temperature. Give your hair regular heat holidays to recover. Less heat means less breakage and more shine. Your hair will thank you with improved health and manageability. Leave-in conditioners and nourishing hair oils are essential steps in any healthy hair care routine. They work together to seal in moisture, protect your strands from dryness, and help prevent breakage caused by daily styling or environmental stressors. By creating a barrier around each hair strand, these products help your hair retain hydration for longer, keeping it soft and resilient. Start by applying a leave-in conditioner to damp hair for daily hydration and easier detangling. Then, follow up with a lightweight oil like argan or jojoba, focusing on your ends where hair is most prone to dryness and split ends. These oils add an extra layer of protection and nourishment. This powerful combination smooths the hair cuticle, detangles knots, and adds a beautiful natural shine without making your hair feel greasy or heavy. It helps tame flyaways and keeps your hair looking polished all day. Remember, just a few drops of oil are enough, especially if you have fine hair. Too much can weigh it down, so start small and add more only if needed. With consistent use, you'll notice your hair becoming softer, more manageable, and significantly less frizzy, making styling easier and your hair healthier overall. If your hair feels weak or stretchy, it might need protein. Use a protein treatment with keratin or silk proteins every few weeks to strengthen strands. Follow the instructions and always condition after to keep hair flexible. Don't overdo it. Balance is key. You'll notice less breakage and more bounce. Washing too often strips away natural oils your hair needs. Try washing 2 to 3 times a week. using dry shampoo or refreshing with water in between. Gradually stretch out washes to train your scalp. Listen to your hair. Wash when needed, but don't overdo it. Less washing means more natural shine and healthier hair. Want healthier hair overnight? Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. Silk reduces friction, preventing breakage and split ends while helping hair retain moisture. It's a simple change that makes a big difference. Combine this with your new routine for even better results. You've got the tools to revive your hair. Consistency is everything. Share your results or tips in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed hair care. Take care of yourself and your hair. You deserve it. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.